Hello world, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is this kit, and you're going to need a lightweight yarn, a yarn which is not more than 3 mm. Okay, so guys, I'm going to, first of all, you need your hook, and for the purpose of this video I'm going to use a 4 mm hook with a 3 mm yarn. So I make a chain, and you put the chain around you to see if it's okay. So if the chain is able to go around you, then you are good to go. Yeah, so when you get the length of the chain that you want, you just fix them together to make this round. And we are going to use a single crochet in joining the ends, and we are going to use single crochets to make the band. Okay, you can use a double crochet to make the band, or you can use a single crochet to make the band. What you do next is you make single crochet in each of the stitch holes. Okay, so you are going to make single crochet in one single crochet in each stitch hole, round and round. And before that, you need to put your stitch marker at the beginning of your work, so that as you go round and round, you will know where you stop and where you are starting. Okay, so let's continue with it. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a like, a hype, comment below, turn on your notification, and share to other people as well. So you are going to go round and round until you get the width that you want. Okay, so depending on you, the width that you want, you do single crochet throughout. Then next of all, you make double crochets. Okay, so we are making 3 double crochets in each of the stitch holes. Okay, so for the first row of the double crochets, you are going to make 3 double crochets in each stitch hole. 3 double crochets in each stitch hole, and this is what is going to help us to create that pleated nature, or to make it look foldable or something. So you make 3 double crochets in each of the stitch holes that you have. The more double crochets that you make in each stitch hole, is the more your skirt is going to have this folding nature, or this pleated nature. Okay, so with mine I made 3 double crochets. With the first row I made 3 double crochets in each of the stitch holes until I got to the end of the first stitch, the end of the first row. Guys, so next of all, what you do is you make 2 double crochets in each of the stitch holes. So the second row that you're going to have is going to be 2 double crochets instead of 3 double crochets. It's going to be 2 double crochets in each of the stitch holes that you have. So we are going to do 2 double crochets till we get to where we started from. Guys, so after the 2 double crochets, the next row, which is the 3rd row of the main skirt, is going to take 1 double crochets in each of the stitch holes. Okay, so we are done making our increments. So with the next rows, that's the next row, with the 3rd row, 4th row, and so forth, we are going to make just only 1 double crochet in each of the stitch holes. Okay, so when you get to the end, the next row, 1 double crochet throughout. Okay, so it's only the first row which is going to take 3 double crochets in each of the stitch holes. The second is going to take 2 double crochets in each row, and the rest of the rows are going to take 1 double crochets in each of the stitch holes. Okay, so we're going to go round and round and round and round until you get your desirable height. Okay, so you can make it a longer skirt or a shorter skirt depending on you. Okay, so you go round and round and round and round, and when you're satisfied, you just end it. Okay, But remember, the longer your skirt, the more you go, the more loose your work becomes. The folding or the pleated becomes very loose when you make it longer. Okay, so it depends on you. Okay, so you just go round and round until you are satisfied with whatever you are having, and you're good to go. And mind you, you can also start with a 5 double crochets for the first row. So 5 double crochets in each of the stitch holes for the first row. Then you come down to 4 double crochets in the second, then in the third you make 3, then in the fourth you make 2, then you come to 1. Okay, but for the purpose of this work, and I don't know, so depends on you. Okay, so I said earlier on that the more the double crochet in the stitch hole, the more you get this folding or this pleated nature. Okay, so I made 3 double crochets for the start and 2 double crochets for the next and 1 double crochets, and I went round and round and round until I had my desirable length that I want. And when you are done, you can use a string or anything for the band to hold your waist tightly if you want, or if you want, you can just leave it like that. Okay, so let's continue with our work. Guys, at the end, this is what we have. Isn't this very simple to make? You can make this in any color of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as well. So I'll see you guys in my next videos.